Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday, May 12th. This is going to be a really short video because all you need to do today is continue working on your Unit 5 project. So I just want you guys to finish that up, catch up on previous unit projects if you haven't yet, and yeah, just pretty much a work day. But I do want to add to your daily vocabulary list. So the word today is nectar, which is the sweet secretion that plants and flowers usually give off. It's usually a lot what bees take away from a flower. And it's also the same term or name used for this drink that gods and goddesses love to drink and usually healed them in some way form. Also, there are some myths that suggest that this nectar, this drink of the gods and goddesses, was actually really poisonous to mortals. So, that is nectar, the sweet secretion that comes from plants and or flowers. Alright, so that's the video today. Just keep on working on your Unit 5 project, catch up on previous work. I am going to be introing the next unit, Unit 6, our final unit, tomorrow. And then Thursday we'll start the movie, Harry Potter. Super excited. So I will see you tomorrow then. Have a great Tuesday. Bye.